Okay, let's start with the choreography. So first, learn the steps with your legs. So you go down, you go plie, and up with your left. So you go plie, and you change. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And you do one time in front, then you go to the right, and then turn. Now let's do together with your legs. So you go 5, 6, 7, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and change. 1 and 2 and 3 and change. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. But I see inside. Now your arms. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 you must do like this, like animal. So you go boom. And you must move also your shoulders. So boom. You go back with your right back and do faster. So you go down, faster. So 5, 6, 7, down, and then you change and do the same with the left. Okay? Change, change,
Left.
change right, change left, change right, change left.
They get a glimpse here on the dance floor.
So 5, 6, 7. Now right, left, right, left. Now let's try together, legs and arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. Change. La 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 la. Stop. Okay. Now you must go a little bit down with your back. So let's try slowly from the beginning. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. Turn. La 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 and la check. Then you change. One more and one more time.
Down.
Go down. Check.
Left.
Okay, slowly. It's a little bit difficult, but first learn how to do what you do with your legs. Then learn the arms, and then try to do all together. Okay, slowly, all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 down. La la change. La 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 down. La la up. And then you quickly go you close with your right. With your right, you close. Boom. Again from the top. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. Turn. La 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 down. La la. Continue. La 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 down. Stop. From here, you close with your right and do like this. Now let's do backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. Change. La 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 down. La la change. La 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 down. La la change. Hey, good job. Continue. So from here, boom boom boom. You listen. You move like an animal.
You move like an animal.
So from here, you move. When you listen move, you must walk with your right foot and right arm. So you go right, left, right, animal. Open your arms like boom.
You move like an animal.
5, 6, 7. You move like an animal. One more time. From here, 5, 6, 7. You move like an animal. Then from here you go like a cat or something. Run, and then change your arms up and move your shoulders like do do do. You listen. 5, 6, 7. Yes. Again from here. 5.
Was 8.
Yeah. It was 8. You move. You move. You move. 5, 6, 7. You move like an animal and cha. Then you must open your right leg to the side and your arms stay opposite side. You go. Okay. Remember always this position. So you go la then you change, open your arm up, right, and with your right foot you go cross, open, cross. When you open again, you must do like this. So slowly you go 1 and 2 and 3.
Nobody knows but
5, 6, 7, you go 1 and 2 and 3. The music go like la 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 la. So you go with the lyrics. You go la 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 la. 5, 6, 7, go la 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 la. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go la 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 la. Yeah. Then you must work. Start with your right. You go 3 steps forward. You go right, left, right. And your arms, you go like this. You must,
With the shoulder.
with your shoulder, you go back, back. Semicircle. You go like 1, 2. And work. 1 and 2. Okay? 5 from here. 5, 6, work. 7, you go. 5 and 6. Yes.
knows but out of control.
Slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. La 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 la. Let's go backwards. Remember, start with your right. 5, 6, 7, go. La 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 la. Yeah. And then you must repeat the same, but with your left side. So start with your left. So let's go from here. Boom. You finish, change, switch, and start with your left. It's the same. So you go boom, the same, cross, open, cross, both arms, and work with your left. And move your left. Yes. 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7. You go. La 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 la. Change left. La 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 la. Remember, you do 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 and start. Boom. So you go 5, 6, 7. Chuku chuku chun. La 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 la. Change. La 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 la. Yeah. Continue. So you go left, left. Then you must turn a little bit and look to the front. In this position. And you go with your right, you cross, open, cross. And when you open, you must go up, up. And your hands go down. Like, so you go 1 and 2. And you go with the right, you go back, and your arms go up. So you go, and you sit.
They get a glimpse here.
One more time. 5, 6, 7, you go. 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. Now with the lyrics. La 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 la.
They get a glimpse here.
So you go la 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 la. 5, 6, 7, you go la 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 la. Then you go with your left, the same step. You go open, you cross. When you open again, your hands go down and you go up. And then close and your hands do like this. Yes. One more time. Right and then left. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, you go. La 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 la.
Get a glimpse here on the dance floor.
One more time. 5, 6, 7, you go. La 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 la. And then from here you go. You open your hands like strong. 5, 6, 7, and then you listen again. You move like an animal. So you go down and look to the sky. And then you move like a. You move like a. Again. You move like a. And remember, animal, the same. Animal.
You move like an animal.
So from here, boom, slowly. 5, 6, 7, you go. La 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 la, and you move like an animal. And then one more time, let's do backwards. 5, 6, 7, from here. Boom, boom, boom. Remember, start with your right. 5, 6, 7, go. La, 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 la. And you move like an animal. Yeah, like this. One more time, this last part, because I know it's a little bit difficult. So remember, from here, you go cross, open, cross. When you open, you go up, and then you sit, and move your hands up. Then again, repeat, open, cross, up, and sit. Then you go 8. You move like an animal. Yeah. Okay, let's do one more time, backwards from the beginning, from the top. Backwards and forward. 5, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. You move like an animal and cha 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 cha. La 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 la. And you move like an animal. Yeah, good job. One more time. Forward, slowly. I know it's a little bit difficult. You must repeat many times, but don't worry, you can do this. So, from the top, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la. You move like an animal and chaka chaka cha. La 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 la, and you move like an animal. Yeah, good job. So don't forget, leave a comment which choreography do you want to learn for the next time.
Bye bye.